I'm going to go over the steps on how to add and subtract radical expressions. So the first thing that you want to do when you're adding and subtracting radical expressions is simplify each term in the radical as far as possible. So you're going to take each one of these terms and simplify them. So I can't simplify 10 because there's no perfect square as a factor. But I can simplify the square root of 40 because that is 4 times 10. So if I can simplify this by taking out the 4 as a 2, so I have 2 square root of 10. Okay. And then step 2 is to just add any like terms. So like terms will have to have the same radical, and if there's a variable, it also has have the same variable. So since I have 9 square root of 10s plus 2 square root of 10s, we can just add those as 11 square root of 10. And that is our final answer. So a simple two-step process for adding or subtracting them. Let's try one more example. So I'm going to add the cube root of 5 plus 6 cube roots of 5 minus 7x cube root of 5. Alright, so we can add these two together because they are like terms. The reason that the last one is not a like term is because of the x. So if I have the cube root of 5 plus 6 cube root of 5, I have 7 cube roots of 5. Then I have minus 7x cube root of 5. Okay, one thing that you can do here is we can actually factor out any common factors. So I can factor out a 7 cube root of 5. So we would be left with 1 minus x. And our final answer would be 7 cube root of 5 all times 1 minus x.